What's up, fellow YouTubers? It's Joe from NewTuber Reviews. I do reviews on new YouTube channels, and I offer outside perspective and review things such as your logo, channel art, description, video content, music, and thumbnails. Also, I don't care if you're black, white, red, 90 years old, 5 years old, a gamer, or a fashion model. You put in the request, you get reviewed. If you'd like for me to review your channel, just comment down below, and I'll get to it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking over here so you can see how other YouTubers are doing and gain some ideas as well. Let's get started. Alright guys, so two things before we start. Apologize for the microphone static if there's any. I'm going to be getting a new microphone. I'm also going to be doing something new where I looked at some of your videos beforehand just so I can get a better idea of what your guys' content is. So my next guest is a person from Reddit who put their channel in my thread to review. So this person is called Preetisketch. Let's check it out. Okay. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Preeti, a shy girl who's trying to break out of her shell. I love to draw and play games. Okay, so 104 subscribers, 19 videos. Okay, gaming channel. Alright, so you got a beautiful banner, Twitter logos there. It's good enough. Maybe if you have your other social media, like I always say, put it up there. It's very important. I like that you have your own like really good logo of I guess I don't know if it's yourself, cartoon image. Yep, you got a good amount of videos and subscribers. I'm guessing you're a beginner. Let's hear about. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Preeti, a shy girl who's trying to break out of her shell. Love to draw and play games. So join me into my adventure and let's color our world. Okay, pretty cool. So you joined a couple months ago, I see here, and you already have 3,829 views. Let's go check out your playlists. Okay, well done. Videos, thumbnails. Okay, really cool. Very professional for a game. Very professional for games. Alright, no complaints here. I mean, I like them. So you're in the gaming niche. I know that Apex Legends is a very popular game. I'm and Monster Hunter 2, but I think Monster Hunter is more like a niche, I guess, smaller. So that's good. I looked at one of your videos before. We're gonna look at one now, but one of your Elder Dragon video, I think it was this one. You didn't mention subscribe in the beginning, and you didn't say it at the end either. You only put it at the end. Let's look at it right now. I'll show you what I mean. You have a nice logo. You're very professional. You're enthusiastic, and you're really giggly about your game. It's just that, and your intro is nice too. It's beautiful. Just that there's no. I mean, there could be words over here. You know what I mean? Subscribe to my channel. You got a watermark. Okay, I'm lagging as well. So there was no subscribe or anything in the beginning, and if you go to the end, yeah, that's good enough. I mean, at the end is better, but you could also say it too, right? Because at the end of your video, you're just still talking about the game. So I suggest you go and do that. Other than that, you're getting some pretty views for your videos that you just released like a week ago. Incredible, honestly. I don't know why that popped up. So let me check out your comments. Okay, yeah, you're doing some replying. That's good. Good job. I'm just going to subscribe so you have 105. All right, so work on your banner. If you have other social media, just add it, but your banner is gorgeous. Your intro is nice. Your logo of your cartoon is nice. Just encourage people to subscribe. You got a really nice logo. You're really enthusiastic. People like you, I could see already. It's just that you gotta like brand your thing. You gotta like instill it in their mind. Subscribe to my channel. Love my channel. Love me. Support me. Say stuff like that. I don't know. Put words. Whatever. That's all you're missing pretty much, and you're pretty much set up to go for. You're gonna be in 1,000 in no time. So good job, and I gave you an 8.5 on 10 for this channel. So guys, that's the end of the video. Comment down below what you think of this channel, and Preeti, you can also tell me what you think of my opinion. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.